Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I'm back again. You should know my name by now. I'm Usman, and these backgrounds are getting more and more exciting. I've got something really in my pocket, right? And this product is called Super Habspro. A very good product. Why? Because it's a combination of Habatussauda and Propolis. So what is Habatussauda? Habatussauda is a sunnah of Muhammad, and it has been known to be able to cure all sicknesses except death. And propolis has been known to be able to cure many sicknesses. So we have put these two formidable ingredients into one small bottle. How does it look like? It comes in a pill form. Okay, you take 2 pills in the morning and 2 pills at night. Inshallah, that's enough for your health supplement. And many have taken this for stroke, cancer, you name it. Pulse, what else? Oh, you can find those in the YouTube. Many testimonials of people who have taken this and have recovered. Usually, people with more serious sickness will take it together with the collagen. So this is one package. Nevertheless, whether you want to take it with the collagen or without, just on its own, it's good. Please, we have this in stock. Call us, get a bottle of 2, keep yourself healthy and fit, keep your immunity system high, keep the coronavirus away until we get an answer what is the coronavirus, where it's coming from, and how to get rid of it. Okay, keep yourself healthy with this. Okay, we have this in stock. You've got my number. Call us, WhatsApp to us, get it right away. All right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.